If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know must split them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and a kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Slip the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me girl. Pon the phone, just quick believe me girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me girl. Link pon the tool and so first to the face here, the voice you don't know say KOGENCY, but the KOGENCY Rocks channel. And today we have Castillo grilling unseen, man. They didn't even bother putting a proper title on this, man. It's just some unseen footage from Castillo because they know we love the Castillo grilling episode, man. And she was talking about beer things in this, man. Beer, like, oh, 2 men in the bedroom and bed. Like, bro, I don't know why she's so adamant on having 2 men in the bedroom at once, dog. But, you know, I'm just going to try and skip over that and try, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, watch a video. But, dog, that just, that's LMNOP community, bro. Like, stop. But anyway, man, hit that like or dislike button. Jump in the comments because I reply to all the comments. And let's go, man. Let's see what we didn't get. We have 16 minutes of unseen content from the original video. Oh man, this is about to be amazing. Look at him, bro. He's ready to talk some shit, man. I'm ready to hear it.
What if I actually slept with your dad?
What?
And you
whoa, 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 whoa. So why did this not make the video, bro? First question. And I immediately wanted it in the video. Because I would have been like, no. No, you're not gonna do no Lori Harvey on over here, babes, and get away with it. Hell no, fam. This is not no sim thing.
What if I actually slept with your dad?
Negative.
And you'd be a dirty bitch, bruv, because my dad's on drugs. You
know what I'm saying? Yo, you be a dirty bitch right now. Fam. It's like, my dad's a bitch said, bro. He should. Oh my days, fam. Like, my dad did 7 years in jail, babes. He's a crackhead. You shouldn't want to do that. Oh, God, that's amazing, bro. That's amazing. I hope you're not going to intro it, you know.
I met this thing on Facebook, yeah, years ago. I met this thing
what is with you on Facebook?
Facebook was the spot back then. You get bare baby mums on Facebook. Bare baby mums. Bare people's mums on Facebook.
Wow.
What?
Bare people's mums on Facebook. Like people like that I know. A few people's mums on Facebook.
But as in like people your age mums or just baby mums?
No, baby mums and people's mums.
Wow, fam, the man is out here laying down everything from all ages, bro. As long as you're of age, he's laying it down, blood. What? Man said people's mums. I was kind of like my dream in high school still to just grow big and just start fuck some niggas' mums, but I grew up and I realized that like there's really no point in doing that, dog. Like there's no point.
Wow.
Like POF as well, that's the spot if you want to get the baby mums.
POF, plenty of fish. Hey, when I was in further, hey, no cap, bro. It was really like a lot of 30 plus on POF, man, and I ain't gonna cap. I ain't get none of them, but you know what I'm saying? I tried to talk to a couple of them, that was that.
Real talk, that's a spot. You see Tinder's like Instagram, bro. People just stand there trying to look cute.
Yeah.
POF and shit, that's where the real baby mums are.
Yeah.
Cheating's mad. But the fact that you think it's so...
POF and shit, that's where the real baby mums are.
Cheating's mad.
Yeah.
But the fact that you think it's so normal is crazy. Do you think like social media has normalized that?
Yeah, do you know what it is? Yeah, because it's too much options right now.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? Like back in the day, you go carnival and you see one Chris Ting and you're like, yo, you never see that bitch again in your life, like, ever in life. You're like, yo, I
never see her again. Hey, fam, you know how many times that burned me? I would be at school somewhere, out somewhere, see a sweet thing, she even giving me the eyes too, letting you know, like, yeah, blood, I'm feeling you, but because, you know what I'm saying, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Triggs was not always Triggs, man. Before, I wasn't confident, I wasn't sure of myself, so I wouldn't even go up and, you know, say nothing. And then she would just leave and can't see her again. She's gone. She probably even got married the day after, bro, and if I saw her, I could have stopped the wedding. But no, I let it slide. Hey, man, don't let any opportunities miss you, my bros. If she don't fuck with you, then just leave, come home and watch some Triggs and forget about it. But, you know, just shoot a little quick shot every now and again. Only when, you know, she's defo, like, top tier, though. You know what I'm saying? We ain't, nothing below par, you know?
Yeah, it pisses you off. You just go online, just go on a little explore page. You're like, yo, there's bare things, bruv. Light skin ting, dark skin ting, thick ting, mixed race ting. There's bare too much options. Now you just lose your mind. Way too much options.
You have a choice just not to do that. You can just not pick up the phone. And
yeah. Literally, that's literally what I do, bro. I just come off Instagram and all that shit, man, because that's just tempting, bro. And because now, you know what I'm saying, Triggs feeling himself and Triggs is in the gym and thing, you know, the girl them feeling Triggs, but you know what I'm saying, Triggs is a one-woman man, you know what I'm saying? So I'm loyal. Don't talk to me. Yeah,
but I'm telling you though, there's things out here, the cankles are mad. The cankles are mad. The thighs are mad.
Would you say you're a good man?
Yeah, I'm a very good man. I'm a lovely person.
Because the thing is, I'm not saying you're not.
Yeah.
But for me, like, a good man is a loyal person that wouldn't do that, if that makes sense. Like, you can get faced with opportunities and choices, like you have a choice and you could be loyal to your woman.
Yeah, man. But
so, like,
if it comes to a money thing, I'm the most loyal person you'll ever know, bruv. I never fuck you ever when it comes to the money. If it's peas, bruv, you can trust me like a mad thing.
Really?
You can leave a whole £1 million, I'll never touch it. Really? Ever, nah. There's no teeth. You get me? But
no teeth.
Yeah, but like I said, people get over that, bruv. Like 1, 2 years, you're blessed.
No, this is what I'm saying. Cheat's scarring. Like, if, you know, the guy that cheated on me, like, that really scarred me.
So you still think about it, man?
No, I don't think about him. I just think you're an arsehole because now it's harder for me to trust. I wouldn't say I have trust issues because, you know, like I
that's what I think about as well, you know, dog. Like, look how you're going to fuck up this person's life just because, you know what I'm saying, a sweet one just showing her ass down the road. You know what I'm saying? Like, sometimes it's just not worth it, bro. Like, if you're with your girl and she's not doing what she's supposed to do, like, fine. Like, leave. But, like, you know what I'm saying? If you have a nice girl, man, just do your thing, man.
Over it, but it just makes me so hesitant when I'm moving forward with someone because someone that you're so happy with and like really love, you think you love and you think they love you, cheats on you.
Yeah.
Would you say though?
Have you ever seen a woman cry?
If we're in public and that, like, it's a bit mad because now you got me looking like R. Kelly or something. Like, it's mad. You gotta leave that shit in the house. Like, do that shit inside. But like, to be fair, most times I don't give a f, bruv. I'll just be like, yo, bruv. 2 years time, you ain't gonna give a shit about this. You get over it.
Would you say you're husband material?
Fam, and I also had that mentality a while back, but you know, you can't do that to people.
Bruv, 2 years time, you ain't gonna give a shit about this. You get over it.
Would you say you're husband material?
I'm a work in progress. Like, when I hit that, I'm just gonna be lit. Lit. But for now, gotta laying down the naan bread. You get me?
So would you just like basically have an open relationship, swingers marriage and stuff?
No, not swingers. Like, I'm not trying to see next man.
Yes, bro. Thank you, bro. And I know she's going to have a problem with it, you know. I bet you she says something about some double standard thing right after. If she does it, you guys have to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, you have to subscribe and like.
That's that cuckold thing, innit?
Yeah.
You know them ones? That's mad. That's mad. I don't know how people do that,
that's
bro.
the best solution for you.
Nah, man. Have you ever seen them cuckold pornos? That's a mad thing. Some guy some wedge black brother just f***ing the shit out of his wife and the man just like, yeah, give it to her. You know what I mean? That's mad.
That's
what
weird,
kind of pornos
bro.
you like though? Like,
I don't actually watch porn
just stop
anymore.
it.
I used to, I genuinely don't anymore.
Stop it.
Yeah.
Okay, alright, so she didn't bring it up, but like, can you still subscribe and like the video? Like, please. Real and true, I don't get paid on subscriptions, you know, but it's still nice to see that, you know, you guys care enough to subscribe to see the content when it's uploaded. But you know, if you don't want to subscribe, suck my dick.
Yeah.
Why you stop watching it?
Like, don't get me wrong, it's great when I used to explore and find those pages, but I'd watch it with my partner. We'd like watch it, get inspo together.
Yeah, that shit is lit, you know. That shit is lit. I'm not gonna lie though, like literally, sex is amazing, but some pornos, bruv, they take you some other places.
Yeah, they make you disgusting.
No, I'm not gonna lie, like the other day I was watching some BBW orgies thing, it was mad.
What?
You just saw...
Fam, I have never seen a BBW orgy. That's too much weight in one room, bro, like.
No, I'm not gonna lie, like the other day I was watching some BBW orgy thing, it was mad. You just saw bare bum cheeks, bruv, bare meat, bare sweat. The girl, you saw barely like, you saw bare fupas and thing, it was beautiful. I was like,
no, that's not beautiful, dog. I'm thinking about that, that's not beautiful, bro. And imagine the smell in that room.
Why do we keep talking about sex? I feel like I'm gonna ask you.
No, my bad, sorry, I was trying to take it to another place, bruv, sorry.
We're always talking about sex. Do you feel like, do you think about sex a lot?
Yeah.
I'm not asking you that. Don't answer that. I'm not asking.
No, not at all.
Man said not at all. What? Man said I don't think about sex at all. What? That's mad.
Mine's just like here and there.
Hell no, not for me, bruv. That's a slippery slope right there, bruv. That's a slippery slope right there. That's some prison play, cuz. I can't be on that. But to a girl, yeah.
It's like a little massage.
Nah, if I'm f***ing a girl, like, I can put my finger in your ass and all that, so that's blessed. But I'm not trying to insert shit on me, bruv. That's a mad thing.
Mad thing.
No?
Hell no. Shout out to my Jamaicans, bruv. Let's just
Yo, oh my God, listen, he knows. Look for me. Looking at my face. Bro, I told you, every time that come up in the episodes, I pause it and I let you know, bro. As a Jamaican, there's certain conversations I am not going to be a part of. And I just back up. Castillo, no, dog. Big up the yard, man, them, bro. What you mean by boot play, bro? Why you even ask me about that, babes? Why you doing that? Why you doing that? You want to upset me? Listen, man. Don't. Chop. Big up Castillo, man. Because Castillo know the yard, man. Them gonna do them something there.
mad thing.
No?
Hell no. Shout out to my Jamaicans, bruv. No, bruv.
No, bruv. Yeah.
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 Really?
That's calm.
But you cheat.
No, if it's a serious
You just
thing,
love cheating
if it's a serious thing, then that's standard. Like you can have that.
Yeah,
if
standard,
you abuse
man.
it, then it's mad. Like if you go through my thing and you start going through my messages, start finding people and who they are, and like trying to, then it's mad, innit? Like if you violate the trust, you can't look at that shit.
Yeah.
But then if it's a serious thing, why not?
Yeah.
You get
Why
me?
not?
But you would as well, innit?
Oh,
That.
absolutely.
Yeah, because you ain't got shit to
Yeah.
hide.
Yeah, that's the thing, bro. I haven't got nothing to hide, man. Because I feel like when you're hiding things from somebody, like, it's kind of like almost a fear thing as well. And I don't want you to think I'm afraid of you, bro. Or a girl. So whatever I'm doing it. If you ask me, yeah, I'm doing it. And what? What you gonna do? What? You understand? Like, I'm not gonna hide nothing from you because I ain't scared of you, bitch. All right, let me not say that word.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thought you were.
Yeah,
Fully. Gotta control the thing.
Would you ever be submissive?
I just don't believe it.
Why?
Like when a girl tries to dominate me, I'm just like what are you doing?
yeah, what
Like,
you doing,
literally,
man?
I'll mash you
Yeah,
up.
it makes my thing go soft and bare thing. I'm like, come on, man, you're spoiling the mood, man. Why are you trying to manhandle me, man? I don't want to be manhandled, babe. Like, stop trying to dominate me, man. Like, stop that, man.
Like stop. Out of all the girl I've been with, there's only been one that's dominant, yeah? That's because I think she was like some narcissist kind of mad person, innit? Like, so she literally really had issues, you get me?
Yeah.
Are you dominant?
Can be.
You look mad submissive, I'm not gonna lie. You look like somebody mash you up.
Mash
Really?
you
Yeah,
up.
like it depends. If like you feel like the guy's a pussy, I feel like you'll fully own him in that. You get me?
Yeah.
But like if it's a man that like you're just like put the work
It
on you.
depends on your energy, what energy you bring in it.
That's what I'm saying. I'm very good at managing money. When you ain't had no money, bruv, you can
Yeah.
make a pound stretch for time.
For time, fam. All right. Back in the day, there used to be this thing called £5 munch. Bro, how am I from Jamaica and telling you about your own culture? No. Because I know a lot of you people don't know about £5 munch. But I used to watch £5 munch 2016, 17, 18 days, right? And then I was in America and then I'd have $5 and go into the Family Dollar store and do my own $5 munch, bro. I swear. And I would get like $1 bag of chips, $1 juice, $1 sweets, $1 crunch. Like, oh, man. I should have been recording those shits, man. Fuck you know, dog. That would have been an amazing video. You understand? But in Jamaica, you can't do that now because everything in Jamaica is just expensive, bro. In terms for like Jamaican currency, so that not gonna work. But yo, hey, £5 munch, y'all niggas need to know about it. How did I even start talking about £5 munch?
Very good at managing money.
Managing money. That's how we start talking about it. But yeah, man, all my £5 munch niggas, you know, man. But they all the one with Big Nasty, where they used to read out the fan stories, where the fans used to send in stories. Uncle Rock, no, it's Uncle Sutton, man. It's Uncle Sutton. People know what I'm talking about. That clip with Big Nasty doing a laugh. It's from that series. So y'all niggas know that I know what I'm talking about. Anyways, I'm talking way too long.
When you ain't had no money, bruv, you can make a pound stretch for time. I remember back in the day, I was working, doing some nightclub bouncing thing, doing some kitchen portering thing. When our lunch breaks and when I was leaving, I'd steal the food, take to my yard, bruv, because I was like, yo, this little bit of money you lot are giving me is shit.
Yeah.
I'm
It's
gonna
not
teeth the
making money
food.
stretch. It's
Yeah,
just
but I'm
taking-
teething the shit, bruv. I just teeth food, bruv. You get
Yeah,
me?
man.
It is what it is.
You're not going
Even though he said earlier that he's not a thief, he just thief food.
you're just taking.
No,
just to be
I
spending
hold my
money.
shit. I keep my shit.
Yeah.
You get me? Catching the train, I'd walk. Catching the bus, I'd
Yeah.
walk. I walk from central London to west.
Yeah.
Mad
Do you have a
thing.
good credit rating?
Probably not. You get me? The bailiffs is mad, bruv. They
Bailiffs
try to
is
come
mad.
after me. I'm like, yo, fam, I ain't owe nothing in this place, bruv. You can check. I don't know. Cool. You get me? You come in here, bruv. All you got is the stove and the fridge, bruv, and you can't take that.
When was the last time you cried?
Years ago, I can't cry. Like, it's hard.
Yeah, alright. That for me, that was true until I got my girl, bro. Ever since I've been with my girl, bro, I've been watching shows and been like just going about life, fam, and things would just make me cry. Like, it would have to be like beautiful stuff, like, you know, like, I don't know, man. Just certain things, dog. Certain things just make my eyes just water. Like, I don't cry, but I feel my eyes water, dog. Like, I don't like that shit, man, you know? Gotta sturdy up, man. Gotta listen to some more hard one, you know?
What do you mean you
I have to force
cry?
myself to cry. Sometimes, like, you gotta force it.
No.
But I ain't cried in years, man. There ain't nothing to cry about.
What?
Sometimes I try and make myself because I feel like you gotta do that shit, but nah.
That's wild. So, like, what do you do if you get upset? What do you do?
I get the fuck over it, man.
Yeah, literally, I just get the fuck over it, man.
It is what it is.
It is what
that
it
makes
is.
me cry. Like, I just feel like, what are you gonna do?
What are you gonna
Does
do,
anything
man?
make you sad?
Being broke. That makes me super sad. You know when you got no money in your account, you got the last 10, you're like, yo.
Yes, the last 10, fam. You know you want to use it, dog. It's just there, just sitting. And like, all right, maybe if I put another 10 and make it 20, then maybe I'll try and do it. You know what I'm saying? But I'll know it can't reach out to it. I'm swear down, man. Donate to the Cash App, blood.
Are a hypersexual?
What's a hypersexual?
So it's like an addict, but it stems from trauma, like a traumatic experience.
Like what, if like my uncle played with my willy or something?
Yeah.
Like, nah, bruv.
No.
But to be fair,
it's a personal question,
but to be fair,
it's people that have sex a lot, it stems from trauma usually.
I had my first sex experience at like 8 years old, though, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, so this is what I'm saying.
No, I was 5, and then the ting was like next door. She was like about 14. She'd come, climb over the fence. This is in Dominica, in the Caribbean. She'd climb over the fence and like she'd just come, rub up on me and that.
No, that's literally like from.
No, but I liked it though. I'm not gonna lie.
Man say I liked it though.
You're gonna like everyone likes to come or whatever it is. Like, can you even come at 5?
No.
I don't know, bro.
That's
But I just
really
know I liked it. It
like-
just made me feel tingly, bro. Every time I just be looking out for her.
That's what I'm saying.
Her name was Sabrina. Big man ting. Shout out to Sabrina.
No, that's not shout out to Sabrina. Like,
Shout out to her,
she's
bro. I don't know what she's doing now,
disgusting,
bro.
like-
Shout out to you though.
No,
Get
that's
me.
like non-behaviour. Don't shout her out.
Fam, I love how she's serious, like, no, stop shouting her out. I use like, yeah, big up Christina, man. Big up Christina. Man, I'm like, blood. Chill out, fam. Like, she molested you. You were a child. I mean, she was a child, but you were a child, a baby. Man is bigging her up, fam. Like, what's wrong with this guy?
Like,
Shout out to
she's
her, bro. I don't know what she's doing now,
disgusting,
bro.
like-
Shout out to you though.
No,
Get
that's
me.
like non-behaviour. Don't shout her out.
Hey.
How would you feel if your friends are liking up all my selfies?
If my friends was liking it.
Why she ask these questions, dog? Like, what? I know she asked them for a specific reason, right? Because she's judging the answer. But why does she care if niggas is like, okay, I guess maybe to see how him interact with his friends. Okay, I can see. But I can't imagine my friends liking off my girl's pictures, bro. I really can't. I really can't see that.
Your selfies.
Yeah.
I wouldn't know, bro. I try not to keep a lot of friends.
Yeah.
Because I just feel like I've got to be focused. You can't trust too many men around you.
Yeah, you can't trust too
I just
many
chill
men.
with gal.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you just sleep with them all.
Yeah, I'd rather do that. Chill with a bunch of men.
What if I was in a gang?
I don't date waste gal. I date proper things.
Man said don't
Proper
date a
job.
waste. Aye, fam, she's on no gang shit, man. No gang girls, man. Even though you hear me say gang, but I just say that just because it is the vibe, you understand? Drill, gang, the vibe, you understand? But I don't want no type of, bro, if a girl even tell me that she's from South London, I immediately have to run her through a vetting process, bro, because I'm automatically assume she's either been in or been around a gang at some point in her life. Anyway, bro, that's just my opinion.
A man.
What if I was in a gang?
I don't date waste gal. I
Waste
date
gal.
proper things.
What's a proper
Proper
thing?
job, like real job, real
job.
ambitions and that. You get me? You can't just be out here this whatless. Just out here about for your life. Because next thing you know, when you fall on hard times, you're out here shotting your pussy for £10 notes, bruv. It's
Yeah.
mad.
Yeah, but I think that's okay though. I think you should.
Well, shotting your pussy for £10?
No, but I mean, like, you shouldn't judge someone just because their life choices. Do you know
No,
what
I don't. It's just not for me, bruv.
Okay.
Because that shit was gonna get worse. Next thing
Yeah.
you're gonna try to sell my TV, bruv. Sell my iPhone.
Yeah, bro.
Fuck that.
Nah, man.
What would you do if I got put in prison for 5 years?
That's your
Yeah,
business.
that's your
You're gonna
business.
be,
With me.
you're gonna be eating a lot of prison pussy, bruv.
Yeah, because I'm
gone.
not going with you.
Gone.
I'm fully gone, bruv. By the time you go in, the first day you
I'm
go in there, I'm for next
flying.
thing, bruv. Like literally, it's a bit mad for you.
It's
Crime
mad.
went for you, bruv. You should have stayed in school, done your A-levels. bruv.
Done your
You're in
A-levels,
prison.
done your GCSEs, man.
Get me?
Ain't got no GCSE. I was in OT trying to give her a tester. Anyways, man. Or go give out some testers in OT, babes. Like, oh no, that's why you ended up in jail for 5 years for distribution.
Negotiating over pot noodle and fish sticks, man.
Yeah,
that's dead.
What if I was to see your DMs right now?
You don't see cool.
Really?
I delete that shit. It'd be too much. It'd be too much. I got thousands of that shit.
Do you get women?
What do you mean? Messaging me?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, of course.
Nothing.
Yeah, the man say it calm. Like, yeah, of course. Like, what do you mean?
That possesses me to think, let me message this guy online and say, hey, what are you doing tonight? Like,
No, because obviously I do the social media
Yeah,
thing.
because you, Cheyenne, you know, you're a light-skinned thing, so most of the time, man, them come to you, you know what I'm saying? But a lot of the girl them out here, they're going for the man them, bro, because out of sight, out of mind. You want me, but you want me to text you. But what if I don't see you? What if I've never seen you in person or on Instagram? But you see me and want me. But they still want me to go and talk to them. Like, no, that's why they do the like up the pictures and the rave for try and see if it will get your attention, and then you message them like, babes, stop beating around the bush, man. Stop being stupid. Use your words. Hello, my name is so-and-so. I think you're cute. And let's just move from there, babes. Like, it's not no big thing, man. Like, what go on?
This is me to think, let me message this guy online and say, hey, what are you doing tonight? Like,
No, because obviously I do the social media thing, innit? So people get used to you. They feel like they know you. So then they ask you for help. They feel connected to you, innit? Which I don't mind. Yeah, but with me, I try not to. I don't ever blur the lines with the social media thing, because there's some crazy gal out there.
Crazy.
I don't want you in my house.
No.
Trying to steal my furniture, bruv.
No.
You got to keep people the f away. One time a gal came to my house and she started burning candles in my living room, bruv. Doing a fucking seance. That bitch was crazy.
What if...
Fam, she was trying to bless the air, fam. I'm about to say she's crazy. Well, seance girls are kind of crazy still.
Get with your dad.
Yeah. I need to hear this one, man. What the fuck?
Doing a fucking seance. That bitch was crazy.
What if I actually slept with your dad?
Then you'd be a dirty bitch, bruv, because my dad's on drugs. So that's mad. My dad's a crackhead, bruv. So, boy, your life is a mad thing. I feel like I'm at the stage of...
Fam, I say, yeah, my dad's a crackhead, man. So your life's on a mad thing. Oh, man, and I think she tried to not laugh. Oh, she didn't find it funny. You see, that's the difference between boys and girls, bro. If I could never hear that and not laugh, bro. What?
If I actually slept with your dad.
What?
Then you'd be a dirty bitch,
Dirty
bro,
bitch,
my dad's
bro.
on drugs.
Oh,
So
really?
that's mad. My dad's a crackhead, bruv. So, boy, your life is a mad thing. I feel like I'm at the stage in life here where any girl I meet now, like, I gotta be able to bust in your mouth.
Oh, yeah. Standard, man. I was telling my shorty the other day, man, like, you talking about, what she did say to me again? She said something about my mouth, bro. And I was like, bro, you know how much I left in your mouth, nigga? Or, bitch? You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, man, I have to. Standard.
Like, that's how I like to finish off.
In my mouth.
Yeah, like, I just feel like it's mad sexy. Do you know what I mean? Like,
I think it's quite disrespectful.
that's why it's sexy.
Yeah, that's why it's
But then,
sexy,
like,
yeah.
when I go on your Instagram afterwards and I see men on your comments, and
Yeah, and she like, they don't even know, man. I'm busting in that mouth, man. Yeah. Yes, Castillo knows the vibes.
I'm like, yeah, I was busting over her face.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying,
And then man are in the comments about, oh, you're so beautiful. Oh, shut up, man. Busting in that.
Ego. So it's not about me or you. Now it's about proving a point to the men.
No, it's not proving a point to them because they don't know that I'm busting on your face. It's all for me and my mental, you know what I'm saying? And even if you might go do something with one of these guys, I don't care. Because I already bust off in your face, I put off your mouth, all that thing, you know what I'm saying? And seeing the niggas in the comments saying all these things, I can't care either. Or seeing some nigga like you, something like your picture or whatever, I can't care because I'm busting in your mouth, babes. As long as I'm busting in your mouth, then I have nothing to worry about. That's mad. That's that rhyme. As long as I'm busting in your mouth, I have nothing to worry about. Hey, no cap.
That's for me as well, like, you know what I mean? And just that satisfaction.
Yeah,
so one day if you ever chat shit, bro,
yeah.
I was busting over your face, bro. Relax yourself.
Relax yourself.
This is some advice for the ladies out there. You got to get with a guy that loves his mum, yeah? Like, you see me, I love my mum, innit?
Yeah.
So as much as I move mad, yeah, I'm not a super dickhead to get
Yeah,
you get me? Cheating is cheating, bro. You get over that and like, bro, next year you ain't
I
even
don't know
give
about that.
Bro, next year you ain't even talk about man like that. You ain't even think about him, bro. You're an IB I'm nice to ladies because like of my mum, innit? But there's man
nice.
but man out here, yeah, that don't love their mum, bruv. They're like, yeah, fuck my mum. I was a dickhead.
Dickhead.
They're horrible guys, bruv.
Horrible.
Cheating
No, but you get over that. You get
contributes
me?
to not being nice.
No, not really though, because you get over that. You can get over that, man. It's not that deep.
No, it is deep. It is deep.
Like literally, 1-2 years, you ain't even think about man no more. You're like, yo, you look back on his Instagram, you're like, yo,
yeah, because
butters,
it's gone.
bruv.
This
Look
is
at
what
his
I'm
big
saying.
head,
It's been a
bruv. He's
gone.
got ugly youth, bruv, and you don't even think about it like that.
Do you lack conversations or like emotions and stuff? Like
Yeah, I love conversations. That's when you know you're getting deep with a girl. Yeah, like sex is good. Yeah, but you know when sex is better when you get deep and like you really get to know that person on next levels. You get what I'm trying to say? Then you realize you two are in sync. With the thing, because then you just start doing a madness. Yeah. You get me? Then you just, you know, when you're just in someone and like, if you go out to a rave or something, yeah, and you're together, it feels like you're the only two people in the whole room. Yeah. That shit there when you get to know someone. But to be fair, these days, bruv, people is on a madness. You can't even really know people like that.
Exactly, bro. Cause hey man, that's how I'm glad I found my girl, bro. You know what I'm saying? Cause nowadays, bro, outside is just crazy, dog. You know what I'm saying? You never know. You have Cheyenne trying to bring 2 men into the bedroom. It's a lot, bro. It's a lot, man. It's too much.
Not even trying, because I feel like you just sound so active that you don't even try.
Active. Nah, I feel like you got to let that shit be natural. You got to be natural with everything. Yeah, if you force shit, it's dead. Everything has to be natural. You can feel a connection with somebody real quick. You get what I'm trying to say? You ever gone on a date with someone and like you just feel it? You're like, yo, I feel like I've known this person my whole life.
Yeah, instant.
You get me? Other times you're going to date and you're like, rah, this guy's a dickhead, man.
Yeah, dickhead.
You get me? But then some other people, you just like, yo, you just feel like your spirit is on some other thing.
You're vibing.
You get me? You feel like your spirit's on some Michael Jackson, Whitney Houston dead out thing, bruv.
Dead out thing.
On next level.
So, what's the extremes you go?
Do you like if somebody spits in your mouth? Why? What are you thinking?
If you're
about?
my man, yeah, 100%. You
Yeah.
could literally be sleeping with a woman, going down on her the night before, then come around mine and spit in my mouth the next day. Like, you could be active and then you're going to spit in my mouth with
Anyway,
like,
fam, every time she says active, I keep thinking of AG.
I like all that spitting shit. I like sloppy head. I like when a girl.
Would you let me spit in your mouth?
Yeah.
What now?
Not now.
I don't even know like you like that, man. You're moving mad. What is this?
Not now, would you?
It was yeah, of course. That's part of
what if
fucking.
I was sleeping with someone the night before?
I don't
you
think
don't know
about
my
that.
history.
I don't think about
What would I be able to do?
But
I
this
wouldn't
is how
even
people
know.
catch like STDs and STIs and stuff.
Not from spitting in the mouth.
No, but like if you're like really active, just and then just doing.
No, but that's if you're doing a bareback thing. Do you do bareback?
No.
You don't fuck bareback. Never.
This is my man. This is my man.
So you never had a night where you f somebody bareback? I know you fucked
Yeah,
bareback
if it's my
before.
man, I'm actually not active.
Mad thing.
Can go like years. Like
Years?
I done a
Stop
celibate
it.
year. Yeah, I go
So you
like
got cobwebs and things.
I go through phases where I'm like celibate because it's like I have like a really bad experience because I hate the guys that I choose seem to just come quick and they're selfish in bed. So then it will like trigger me and I think I'm not gonna have sex for like a year. Literally will not.
What the hell, fam? So you're out here making these bad decisions with men and then when I talk about, oh, I'm tired of men wasting my time, so I'm gonna grill them. Are your fault? Are you pick them? Are you choose them? Are you open up your leg and say, come, take it. You chose them. What do you want me to do? Feel sorry for you? No, but I'm glad that they did what they did. No, not in that way. I'm not happy that they hurt you, but you know, I'm glad that they did what they did so I can get a series like this. You know what I'm saying? So man, them, I ain't telling you to waste Cheyenne's time, but it looks like when you waste Cheyenne's time, she comes out with amazing series, blood. So, anyways, man, don't waste her time. Maybe
Have sex for a year, then sleep with someone, and then be put off again. So.
So your usual type, like, where'd you meet them guys?
Well, I'm trying to do something different and meet people in different places and stuff because I kind of feel I don't like.
Like Yardy raves and that.
Yardy raves and that. He met a thing at a Yardy rave, man.
And stuff because I kind of feel I don't like.
Like Yardy raves and
I can't blame men, but it's clearly me choosing bad men.
Oh yeah, okay. So she has sense because she said what I just said.
See, I told you like bad man, innit?
Bad man.
Because I feel like if a guy's a bit bad, like his ego, he will like make you come.
What do you mean?
I feel like you've got an ego, so you would want me to come.
I feel like
but enough bad man don't make their girls finish, blood. You know what I'm saying? That's why you're in the position that you're in now, because the bad man them not giving you what you need.
I've had a lot of toxic relationships, but the one that stands out the most ever, yeah, is like I was seeing this thing and I was doing mad cheating. Like I'm not even gonna lie, I was doing so much cheating. I was cheating on her with people she knew, all of that. And I think she even knew that, but then she'd ask me questions. I one, two of her friends, bare them things there, yeah. And literally, it was so bad, she tried to cut my hair, blood.
Oh my God.
In a way, she kind of got her revenge though, because I remember one time, like, I think I was chilling in her yard and I made a joke about it. Like, since we've had this break, like, we slept with anybody. And then she said something like, she said, yeah, I've someone on your Twitter. And then we just laughed it off. She goes, somebody retweeted. And I just laughed it off. Yeah. A few months later.
Even though that's not funny at all.
Actually true, she actually did something on my Twitter, bruv. I was mad.
How did you feel about that?
I was mad heartbroken, and I was like, yo, you're moving mad,
yeah,
bruv.
see? What is that? So
mad.
like,
Do you know
you can do the most, but then the moment a girl does that back to you, you're like, well, bruv, that's too much. That is too much.
Do you know what it is? I feel you on that one, yeah, because I can't, do you know what it is? It's ego in it, because I'll tell you what, yeah. This happened so many times, like, I'll be moving super mad, super mad.
Super mad.
They'll be like, oh, what is this? What are we? And I'll be like, look, babes, I ain't trying to look for nothing like that, man's not looking for nothing, blah, 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 blah. And then we'd get back together, spend time together, whatever. And I'd be like, oh, so during this time, like, when we didn't see each other, what have you done? And she'd be like, oh, I want a date. And I'd be like, a date, bruv? What the
fuck? See?
A date, bruv. So how many times a week do you...
Hey, listen, I understand, bro, because I go through that in my head all the time, bro. It's like, as a man, you know what I'm saying, you just wish that you could have just have all of them. Not all of them, but, you know, just... The proper ones, the right ones, you know what I'm saying? Because they can just work together as a team, and you know what I'm saying? But, you know, it just don't work like that, dog. But, and then a lot of times these women ain't really all that, so, you know.
Not enough.
You're lying.
Wait, what she said?
A date, bruv. So how many times a week do you...
Not enough.
You're lying. How many times?
No, I swear to God, not enough.
When's the last time you...
Well, I was dating someone.
No, I didn't ask you that. I'm asking you when you got some.
When's the last time?
That shit was last night though. The look on your face right now.
It was not last night. It was not. I'm not active. I'm actually not active.
Mad thing.
Mad thing. Anyway, I told you, bro. Every time I hear active, you know me, man. Oh my God, dog, bro. Where do I even start with this, dog? Where do I start? I don't even know where to start, bro. We talk about the trauma thing, and he's bigging up Christina after she molested him when he was 5. Why are you bigging up Christina? Stop. That's not healthy. Shy put herself in the position with selfish niggas that don't care about her and then want to complain about them and make her seem like her life's so shit. But you chose them, so I don't have any sympathy for you. Not like that, but as in like, you put yourself in that situation, babes. And, dog, Castillo, man, he's just on the clawing thing, man. The man just want to lay down everything. Like, the man don't say, like, suppose him end up with a STD, bro. Suppose him end up with the mad thing. You know what I'm saying? The mad thing that can't reverse. No medicine, no nothing can save that. Bro, man. You can't live your life like that, bro. Just drink some juice, just watch some reaction videos and just chill out, bro. Like, you don't have to be clotting all the time. It's okay. You can chill out. My God, man. Oh, yeah. With my fucking red juice. Oh, man. Ching you up, leave you red, Bruce. Ha! Listen, I'm talking way too long, bro. The video done long time. Hit that like or dislike button. Jump in the comments, reply to all the comments. KOGENCY on the KOGENCY channel. And I'm at this motherfucker, right? Peace.
Girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the tool and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round